Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Mint account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or unlock your phone and open a browser. In the address bar, type mint.intuit.com and press enter or go. Check that the website address is correct to avoid fake login pages. On the Mint homepage, find and click the Sign In button. If you are redirected to Intuit, stay on that official login page. Click on the email or user ID field to start entering your details. Type the email address you used when creating your Mint account. Click on the password field to continue. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want to see what you are typing, use the Show Password option if it appears. Make sure caps lock is off if your password is not supposed to use it. If your device is private, you may choose to stay signed in for convenience. If your device is shared or public, do not select any Stay Signed In option. Click the Sign In button to submit your login information. If you are asked to verify your identity, choose the verification method shown. Enter the verification code sent to your email, phone, or authenticator app. Click Continue or Verify to complete the security check. If the code does not arrive, wait a moment and request a new code. After verification, you should land on your Mint dashboard. If you see an error, recheck your email and password for typing mistakes. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset steps. Open your email inbox and look for the password reset message from Intuit. Create a new strong password and save it in a secure password manager. Return to the Mint login page and sign in again with your new password. If your account is locked, follow the on-screen instructions to unlock it. For extra safety, enable multi-factor authentication if it is available in settings. Once logged in, confirm your linked accounts and balances are loading correctly. When finished, log out if you are using a shared device to protect your data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.